Previously on Perfectly Imperfect Gardening with Tanya.
The base, the hole, I don't know how the pump supposed to go, where or what. So he said something that he have to drill. I see a hole in a pipe in this one. Okay, it's a hole in a pipe in this one. That's the top right here. That's the hole for this one. I don't know what he have to drill. Okay, this is the pump that he left. And I don't know what he's gonna do with this stuff. But he left that, and he also left a leveler, I guess, to make sure it's leveled. Okay, y'all, he put the pump in. Look like they stabilized it. You're gonna have to come back to finish it, but we making progress, y'all. We making progress. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Perfectly Imperfect Gardening. It's your girl Tanya, and today we're gonna be finishing out that fountain finally. Y'all, I cannot wait to get this fountain done and see it flowing. So y'all sit back, relax, and see this fountain become complete. Let's get to it, y'all. Y'all, on the last video, y'all seen him put this pump inside of here. It got some water in it because he sealed it, so we know it's watertight right now. So when he comes, he's gonna be able to put the rest of this stuff right here together on top of here and get this pump running so we could be able to see this beautiful fountain put together and come to life. I am so excited. Last time you seen the fountain, which was Saturday, today is now Monday, which they will be here anytime because he said 4:30. So hopefully he'll be here at 4:30. What you just seen, he was making a area for the drill, not the drill, the pump to fit under the second tier. He was making an opening so it could fit over the pump. Now he's placing it over the pump. Right there. Now he's sealing it to make sure no water leak. Now he's putting on the second tier. Want my help? I know that is heavy. Second tier set. Putting the holes in. If you guys want your own water fountain, check out Paradise Sculptures here in Fort Pierce, and you can have your very own fountain in your yard. Paradise Sculptures, and it is hot. Now he's connecting the pump to that hose.
Yeah. Wow.
Making sure it's set and even. Went from the sun to the shade, y'all, so it's a little blurry. And making sure it's level. I don't know why it's so blurry, guys. Putting on the third tier. Let me get a closer look for y'all. Here.
No.
The last tier. And he just has the top to put on after he leveled it. There would have been no way I could have put this together by myself. No way. So you're making sure it's sealed all around. He just sealed the top. Yeah, he putting this right here on the top. That's why that hole's sticking up there. Okay, so you coming back tomorrow?
No, you.
Oh, me. Okay.
You
So I
want
put
it,
the.
only
Okay.
want it, and connect. That's it.
Okay. So he wanted to dry for a day, and then tomorrow I can come back out and run the water. This way he put the pump. That's what you're seeing him cutting.
You put the pump.
In case the pump broken, you can change.
Yeah, in case they get.
That far, check it out.
Okay. Good, good, good.
Okay.
And this right here, he say is the opening for the water to go into the pump. Right there.
Un poquito. Ahí.
Love birds, guys. Love birds. So tomorrow when we come back, I'll be able to pump, turn it on, and you can see it flowing after it dries.
This. Exactly. Perfect.
Okay.
This and this. Look, come in. Come in. Okay. Look at the level. Perfect. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
No moving.
No moving.
Tomorrow, water,
Okay.
complete,
Mhm.
to play, and they connect. That's it.
Okay.
No se nos queda nada.
Thank you, thank you guys so very much. Okay, guys, it's the next day. Now we get to see this beautiful fountain filled up with water, and we can see it starting to flow. But before that, I want y'all to tell me how much you think I paid for this fountain. How much would you pay? The maximum you will pay for this fountain. Y'all put it in the comments down below. But until then, let's get this baby going. So I got to get the water hose and the stitching cord, and then we can get this thing going. I got the pump plugged up.
Notice feel the bottom. They're gonna come from the bottom to the top.
I know, just filling them up like beforehand. Get a little head start. You hear the pump going in here? Oh, okay, I hear it. I hear it starting to go.
Did it, baby.
Finally, it has happened to me. Right in front.
You wanna hold it? You wanna hold it? Go on the side and talk a little bit. How does it feel to finally have this thing going?
Oh, it feels good to finally get it going. And they won't believe how much I paid for this fountain. Would y'all write down in the comments how much y'all think that I paid for this fountain? Because at the end of this, I'm going to tell you guys. Plus the delivery, the installation. Y'all make the price without the installation, but I'm going to tell you guys the installation price too.
Makes some noise too, don't it? Nice noise though. A nice sound. I like the sound of flowing water.
Me too.
The birds definitely gonna love it. Money well spent, boo boo.
You think so?
Yeah, I love it. It's a nice centerpiece.
It's so hot out here, so I have to get a lot of stuff done.
How far are you gonna fill the bottom?
We'll fill up. Not where it's gonna run over.
Oh my God, I'm falling for you. I just wanna give you the truth. The day that I made you, I knew you fit my shoe. I'm on your way to my baby. You, anything you wanna be, my love. Whenever you feeling down, I'll be there for you. I need you forever, not only for today. You can take me whenever, we can go far away. Oh, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love, baby. I'm falling in love. Oh my God, I'm falling for you. I just wanna give you the truth. The day that I made you, I knew you fit my shoe. I'm going anywhere to my baby. You, anything you wanna be, my love. Whenever you feeling down, I'll be there for you. I need you forever, not only for today.
Okay, guys, did y'all make y'all guess? If not, time's up. Y'all, I paid only $500 for this fountain. That's all. Only $500 for the fountain. And I paid $250 for him to come and install it. As y'all see, he had to put a pump area for the pump because this is like a display fountain. So he had to put an area for the pump on here. But all in all, what y'all think? What y'all think of my new fountain for only $500? Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that bell button so that every time I put out a video, you guys be the first to get it. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you later.